Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image or a picture into one of your Carrot website pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image or a picture into a Carrot website page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate company, you know that each page has a sales function, and if you can upload images that are relevant to what you do, it can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Carrot website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image into one of your pages or your posts, here on the left side, you're going to click on content. Once you click on content, you're going to either choose posts or pages. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add an image into a website page. Once you've chosen, you're going to see a list of all of the pages or posts. So just scroll through until you see the page that you want to add a picture into. So for example, this one right here, and click on edit. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up the editor for that one particular page. And the cool thing about Carrot websites is they're set up into these little blocks. So you can add an image into any one of these sections. So first I want to let you know that if you're trying to update the hero image right here at the top, all you're going to do is just kind of click on the hero image. Once you do that, here on the right, you're going to see a button that says upload image. I've already changed the image. If you want to change it, just hover over it and then click on replace. And then you can choose from either uploading from your desktop or media library, and then just click on the image. Once you click on the image, click on set featured image, and you're going to see an update right away. Now, if you want to add another image into a section in here, if you hover over it, you're going to see these kind of like little plus icons. If you click on plus and then type in picture, or if you want, go ahead and just type in image, you're going to look for this right here, image. You can add a gallery. You can add a picture with text alongside it. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add an image. Okay, you're going to see this box pop up right here. Now you can go ahead and upload from your desktop, or you can just grab one from your media library, which is what I'm going to do, and just choose the image, click on select, and you can see it just gets added in right here. So it added it into this container or this section right here. So for me, this looks kind of weird. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on it, and then I'm going to click on these three dots, and then I'm going to delete that image. And what I would rather do is just click right here in between these two containers, and you're going to see this little orange line pop up, and then click on plus to add a block, and I'm going to click on image, do the same thing, choose image. I'm going to grab one from my image library and then select. Okay, so for me, that looks a little better, so because it's not jumping into this container right here. It has its own little section here. All right, once you've added in the image, you want to click on save here on the top right. All right, now it's saving. And then if you want to see what it looks like afterwards, you're going to click on this little arrow once it's done. Okay, I'm going to open that up, and you're going to see what the page looks like. So as someone's scrolling through this page right here, they see that we've added this picture right here into our Carrot web page. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a picture into your Carrot web page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.